India saw its COVID-19 tally jump by another 22,752 in the last 24 hours to reach 7,42,417. According to the Union Health Ministry data this morning, the number of active cases in the country are 2,64,994 and 4,56,830 patients have been cured or discharged. The total number of fatalities has now reached 20,642 after 482 people died in the last 24 hours, the Health Ministry data showed. The Health Ministry said that India's recovered cases per million population is more than active COVID-19 cases per million. It credited the states and union territories for early identification and effective management of coronavirus cases, a media report said. 40 persons across Manipur tested positive for COVID-19 as of late Tuesday, taking the tally to 1,430 in the state. An official report said that the new infections were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of RIMS and GENIMS. The new cases are from Chuchanpur, Imphal East, Jiribam, Kakching, Kangpokpi and Senapati districts. The number of active cases now stands at 659, while 771 individuals have recovered from the disease in the state. In the past 24 hours, 37 patients were also discharged from COVID care centers across the state after they tested negative for COVID-19. Students' Wing of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS and Student Union of Ananda Singh Academy Imphal today observed the 5th death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood at the school premises. Floral tributes were paid to the photo of Robin Hood at the occasion. Dr. L. Bimola, principal of Ananda Singh Academy, also attended the event. This year's observance remained low-key due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Tripura government will start door-to-door COVID-19 tests across the state very soon. According to reports, in the first phase, the door-to-door testing will be held in 28 containment zones only. After that, it will be held across the state. As per media reports, Law Minister Ratanlal Nath, while informing this, said, at present, 7,629 people are living in the containment zone areas. The health workers will go to every house and screen the numbers, and those who have fever and other symptoms will go through the COVID-19 test. Members of Kumbi Urban Development Committee and Kumbi Lomi Simi Apun Belub have urged the state government to look into the situation where floodwater has submerged Kumbi Loktombi Lokon under Kumbi constituency in Bishnupur district. Around 20 hectares of paddy field in Kumbi Loktombi Lokon under Kumbi constituency has been affected by floodwater due to incessant rains in the past few days. They appeal to the state government to extend help to the farmers in every possible ways so that they can ensure crop yield. Assam has registered 840 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 13,336. Confirming the news, Assam Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma in his latest tweet on the state's COVID-19 status said, out of the 814 new positive cases, 588 are from the Guwahati city alone. According to media reports, with the new cases, the total number of active COVID-19 cases in Assam now stands at 4,988. Earlier, a total of 8,329 COVID-19 patients have been discharged from various civil, district and model hospitals across Assam. With the spike of COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya, the state government said yesterday that they may have to resort to total lockdown if the situation continues to worsen. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said during a media briefing in Shillong that government would impose total lockdown due to the rise in COVID-19 cases as per media reports. Tinsong urged the residents of the state to avoid going out unnecessarily. He further asserted that one should not panic and situation is not conclusive, hence would urge each and every citizen of the state to refrain themselves to the maximum of any unnecessary exposures. An anti-interministerial team has been set up by the government to coordinate probe into the alleged violation of various laws like money laundering and foreign contribution by three Nehru-Gandhi family-linked trusts, including the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Media reports said that a special director in the Enforcement Directorate will head the team.